Hello guys, hope you are doing well. And today onwards, we are going to start a series of Windows Server 2022, and this is the latest version of Windows Server 20, Windows Server uh, series. And in the series, we will install and try to understand all the roles available in 2022 and associated features as well. Also, I'll try to cover all the possible solutions, troubleshootings which are available related to Active Directory, DNS, DSCP, file services, etc. So let's begin. So I have a setup here. I have installed Windows VMware, and here we will install the first server, and there we will install the Active Directory. So let's begin. So before we begin, let's create the virtual network that will be used for our Windows Server operating systems. I have opened virtual network editor, and I'm going to create or add a new network here. So Windows VMNet 0 name is already used. So I'll select the default one, VMNet, click OK. And here I have both three options, VMNet information. As you see, host only. So we will create a network so we can have only the internal connectivity within the VMs. This network would be the private network and will be used only for the VMs. So I'm going to remove this series because I'll use some different series or the IP addresses. So let's save the setting, apply, and OK. And from here, I'll create new virtual machine. The ISO for 2022 server I have already downloaded. So this is Workstation Pro 12 version, and I'm going to create custom configuration. Next and next, and I have the installer I'm going to select. So here I have image available, and next on Microsoft Windows I'll select Windows operating system. Since this is not the latest one, so I'll select 2016. Okay, and this is the virtual machine name. Windows Server 2022, and the location where we want to install it. In my case, D drive VM1. This is a folder. I am going to place all the files, BIOS, and next I'll select two CPU or processors, and next I'll add 4 GB of memory. Okay, and next we will use a network address translation for this. For now, okay, it's by default. Create a new virtual disk. So the recommended size is 32. So let's go with this and finish. So the new virtual machine is created and we will install the 2022 operating system on it. Once this machine is started, okay, so here we have to select the language, time, keyboard. Oh, this is okay for me. Say next and install. Setup is starting now. Okay, on this virtual machine, we will install the data center evaluation version and desktop experience. Click next, and this is and the license acceptance. I have accepted it. Then we will go with custom, and since I have only one drive, so I'll go with next button, and the installation is started. Getting files ready for installation. It will take some time. Till then, I am just pausing the video. It is going to complete. The files are 97% installation that is completed. After that, this it will install the features and then updates and finish. Okay, that is done. Installing updates. Okay, updates are also installed. And now it is restarting. Uh, let's restart now. There are few more settings. Yes, server is ready now and asking for administrator password. I'll serve the password, re-enter the password and finish. Applying the computer settings and this is ready now. Let's enter the credentials. We are in. The installation is almost completed. After this, since this VM is running on VMware, so we will install the tools, VMware tools, so we can enhance the display and other features as well. Okay, I finished. From here, we'll select install VMware tools. So they are loaded as another directory. You can see the display size is not adjusted yet, but after installing the VMware tools, uh, the drive is connected. We can run the setup simply. Okay, preparing. This is extracting the files. Okay, next I'll do the installation as complete. So everything features and product related, all the tools are installed. It's installing all the drivers. Okay, so screen resolution, as you see, that is adjusted and we are done now. I'll take a reboot. So this is the first video where we seen how we can install the operating system 2022. In the next video, we will install ADDS and DNS role and what are the best practices to follow. I'll try to cover. So see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.